All right, it's Friday, October 3rd, just following up on Netflix. You can see if they're buying puts here on bar number 2. We have moved a little lower, so we're starting to go where we need to go to possibly have a 2-up failure from yesterday. We'll see if that unfolds, but it's kind of at a key level right here that it may or may not develop, and this green line is very important, as I described in previous videos. So for now, I just decided to scale out of these options and set up a no-risk trade. I bought the 1160 puts at 23.09. I just scaled out at 25. They're asking 26.45 right now. So if this whole thing decides not to reverse in this area, then I can do no worse than break even. I'm going to see if we get through this key green line. I described on the daily chart how that was a key pivot here from yesterday, and we wanted to see that's either going to be an area to break through and go strongly to lower levels. It could be a pause area, it could be a reversal area. So we had a little bit of a green reversal yesterday, and we did take out the high of that bar, but then we came strongly down close to the halfway point of this bar right at the open. So I figured maybe this is now a signal, given the opening price action, that this whole area here at the green line is more of a pause area, and if we can get through there, then you can see we have targets to the next two green lines. The first one here, the 1127 area, the 1105 area, and I know the weekly chart being red is going to likely, unless it really had a strong day today, it could close, pretty strongly red, which means you'd think they'd be testing the lower end of that range into next week. So anyway, we are moving lower now, given that opening price action. That was what was developing, had a stop here at the midway point of that first bar. So now if this area, it's still, the jury's still out whether it's going to really break through here and build some momentum, but that's what's happening now. But at least I scaled out and do it at no risk, and I just want to see if this key area here ultimately gets broken through, or if it becomes more of an area that holds in the big picture and you get some type of reversal. If a reversal develops into next week, then I can look for buy opportunities, but this is going to be a key area here. Do we get through this pivot and head to a lot lower targets below that are in play?